gosh, look. Mm-mm. It's nice.
Looks so delicious.
Oh Lord.
It's soft and tender.
Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I'm here again, and this time I'm gonna oven bake a chicken. Yes, I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm gonna bake it. Okay, I already washed my chicken already, season here. So I'm gonna put 1 tablespoonful, because it's a big 5-pound chicken. So I'm gonna put a tablespoonful here. This is a Maggi seasoning. And when you put all these seasons, you have to be careful of the salt you put, because all these seasons have salt. And I'm gonna put a little of the jerk season here. Even I'm baking it, I'm just gonna put a little jerk season there. Yes. This is black pepper. Yeah, not much. Okay. I'm gonna throw a little vegetable oil here. And also some soya sauce. Not much. Combine it together. Over here now I have some melted butter. Okay, I'm gonna put some here. This is a big boy, man. All right, then I will just put my seasoning all over it now. Rub it in. Put some in the belly here. And I also have something to stuff the belly, so just rub it up. Okay, you see that make it go everywhere. Looking good, right? So I'm gonna put some thyme, a piece of rosemary, a piece of lemon, a piece of onion, pimento seed, pepper, and carrot. I'm gonna stuff it in the belly here. All of that in the belly. Okay? And the belly have a lot of season there. So my pimento seed. Okay. All right. Okay, so like what stuff the belly. I'm gonna bring the legs them together, and I'm going to tie it. Okay. All these seasons stay in. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, I am back. I already washed these already. I'm just gonna dice them and put them with my chicken, with my carrot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just dice my onion, cut it big. I don't want a lot of pepper, so I'm just gonna cut it big. Piece of scallion here. Okay, I have in a little container here some salt. Some salt with a little season here. I'm just gonna rub the potato in it. Some salt and some garlic season. Just gonna rub it in. It's okay. I'm gonna throw some of my melted butter. Yeah. The rest of my melted butter, I'm gonna put it in my pot here. It goes a long way. Yes. All right, I'm gonna put my chicken in. Yay! In the middle here, little boy. See, I have some season on here. I mean, big boy. And this is a piece of it's all right. I'm gonna decorate it with my stir on my chicken. Okay, here's my chicken with all my veggie around it. So I'm gonna cover it. I have my oven on 350. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna cook until it's tender and looking nice. Okay, cover it. Okay, gonna leave it in. Good. All right, I think I'm good. Some more, like around 15 more minutes. Wow, let me check it now. Wow. Oh my gosh, look how it look nice. See it look nice? I think it done. Let me cut this string here. Wow, wow. Looking good. I'm telling you, looking good. Alright, I'm gonna cut a piece and make some dinner for my husband. Okay, let me cut it. Oh my gosh, look. It's nice.
Looks so nice.
Yes, man, you did a very good job.
I taste it, darling. Because it looks so delicious.
Oh, Lord.
It's soft and tender. Finger licking, darling. Wife, it's tender so much. Seasoned to the bone. This is nice, wife. The guys have to dip my finger with it, it's tasting so good.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.